Hey, what's up? Sami here. Today we'd like to bring you the unboxing and hands-on of Vivo NEX's newest phone, Vivo NEX Dual Screen version. Let's go! Here in the box we found the phone. It feels a bit thick. Pull up the drawer, we found a set of headphones, the charger, the manual, pin, and a cable. The last thing is the case. Let's take a close look at the phone. My first impression is it's a bit thick. The bottom features Type-C port, a speaker, and a SIM card slot. And check this out, it keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack. Before we get to the system, let's put this case on. Not sure if it will protect the phone well if we accidentally drop it on the floor, but yeah, better than nothing. The NEX comes with a 6.39-inch OLED display. Together with the COS sealing technology, it feels comfortable without notch and those wide chin. The resolution is 2340 by 1080. The screen looks sharp and crisp. Now let's check the full specs of the NEX. It sports Snapdragon 845 AIE processor, 3500 mAh battery, and 10 GB of RAM. I know you may have get used to the real business screen, but you still have doubts about its bike screen. Alright, let's get to it. On the top we have a circle that encloses the horizontal dual camera. The screen is 5.49 inch with 1920 by 1080 resolution, so the back combines the triple camera, a flash, a circle, and the screen, which makes NEX really stands out from the crowd in this year. Why this circle design? The Vivo staff told me that they were inspired by the solar eclipse. That's funny because I thought it was a stamp mark. But anyway, let's find out what that's for. In the settings you can find the circle, which called the light ring. You can find incoming call notifications, charging, portrait issuers. So the light ring is actually for light effect. It's like the phone's breathing light. Let me show you now. And into the portrait effect, you can see this color. If I move out my head, then it will change to another color. If I get in, then it will change back. When in music play mode, the light will dance with the music. The ring just shows different light effects in different modes. That's it. If you look closely, you will see half of the ring extends into the screen. Not sure if you like it, but I kind of wish remove that part. When in selfie mode, it reminds you to turn the phone back. The camera comes with AI beautify as well. You can do different levels of beautify. That saves a lot of money to do plastic surgery. Now get to the normal camera mode. It has a dual display feature. It will show the object in two screens, so that's actually very convenient because you can see clearly what it looks like in the camera in case someone wants to ruin your photo. The same applies for video recording. Oh yeah, last thing I want to show you a funny feature. I can write something in the front and you can guess what I have done. Yeah, that's it. I kind of feel it's funny. The NEX comes with the in-display finger sensor feature. It adopts the 5th generation of photoelectric screen fingerprint. The accuracy is not that bad, but since it comes without front camera, so you have to use the back screen if you want to face unlock your phone. I personally like this face unlock because it's faster than the in-display fingerprint scan unlock. Alright, last I want to show you is screen switch feature. You can slide on the screen with your 3 fingers and it will switch the content to the other side. Fun to play too. Okay, so that's a really fast and simple hands-on of Vivo NEX dual screen phone version. Later I'll post more like camera, game test. Those please subscribe. Special thanks to my partner iPhone Tech. I put all the links in the description as well. Please give a subscription to them too. And see you next time.